Hi everyone, Peter from Children Emporium here. So in this video we're going to be making this Mother's Day card, and then when you pull these, this comes down here and it'll have your message inside. Okay, so you're going to need your little bit of ribbon, lollipop sticks, you need a card, piece of paper and the black card. You also need glue, sellotape, scissors and some fabric pens. So we're going to start off by making the plant pot piece. So take your black card and fold it in half. And then what you can do is, you can either draw on a pattern or you can just cut it out freehand of the plant pot shape. I'm just going to do it freehand. See that? And then that'll fold down that way. So next you want to get your lollipop sticks. And then we're going to stick 3 of them down. And now you're going to get a piece of card. We're going to cut out a shape that fits in there. So it's roughly that much high. Now on the back of this, we put loads of glue. Stick that down. Pop that back up. And then with your ribbon, you're going to tie that around there. And just put a little bow in it. And then with the ribbon, we're going to stick it down on the other side, so that's where your tape comes in. So just tape that down on the back there. So that's the plant pot bit done. Next we're going to make the flowers. So take your coloured piece of paper and then we're going to fold it once. Twice, three times, so there's your shape, and then last time you just fold it in half. So now we're going to cut out like a little teardrop shape. So imagine that's half of it. You want to just cut your shape out like that. It can be quite tough, so take your time. Then open them back up. spread them out. So there we go. So you've got 8 leaves. So for the middle one, it can't stick up because they just get in the way. So the middle one, you cut one of these in half. And then they go like that. You just got to take them down and glue them down. So just put a bit of glue on. Pop that there. And just same again. Bit of glue. Pop that down there. And now you can stick that onto your plant pot. Like so. And then these next ones, you're going to fold them in half instead of cutting them in half. And then these ones go on like this, so they open up like so. See? So just glue again. Spread your leaves out. There you go. You're all done. Just don't forget you need to put your message inside as well.